Hey everyone! Today we're unboxing something super fun, the 3D Puzzle Stickers Blind Box from the Jungle Squad series. Look at this adorable packaging. Each box contains a surprise animal character. Let's see what we got. It's a chimpanzee. These puzzles are made entirely of 3D stickers, so no glue needed. Everything comes on these easy-to-remove sticker sheets. Here's a pro tip. Adding a little water to the pieces helps them bond better. Just dip each piece quickly before attaching. Now let's start assembling. We'll follow the numbered pieces and build our chimpanzee step by step. The pieces fit together like a 3D jigsaw puzzle. Carefully attach each limb and body part. Take your time to make sure everything lines up perfectly. And there we have it! Our adorable 3D chimpanzee is complete. These puzzles are perfect for ages 6 and up. And there are 6 different animals to collect in the Jungle Squad series. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to collect them all.